Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see right here. Good morning, sir. Please, can you do pay for me on Pinduoduo? I want to get some items, sir. This is just the question right here, and then these are just the product link. And then I decided to make a video about this and show you on how we actually place order from different store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba, Shenyun, Alibaba or AliExpress or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing I'm going to do right here, you can as well read details about my time of service for procurement and shipping service right here. So let's go. So the very first thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on the product link right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on the product link, and it's going to redirect and load up to just like so, and it's going to load up. So just like what you see right here, you can see the products picture right here. So you can scroll and check on the product detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the products detail like so. However, this is depends on the number of the product picture that was uploaded by different store. Once you are able to satisfy the product with product picture, go ahead and click on here. So go ahead and click on here to add the product to cart. I've already had all the product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then we want to make sure we visit my cart, and for that, go ahead and click on here to view my profile. On getting to my profile, all the products in cart is going to be found right here. So go ahead and click on that, and we have all the products in the cart right here. So I'm going to scroll down right here, and then these are the products right here, just like what you see right here. The first store, second store, and the third store right here. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the first one, then scroll down right here, select the second one, and scroll down right here, select the third one. Having select all the store, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. From the checkout right here, you can check all the product detail as far as this checkout is concerned. Scroll down right here and choose your means of payment. In this tutorial, I'm making payment with my WeChat Pay. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. The next thing I'm going to do right here, you can see a proof of payment from my WeChat wallet right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then I'll click on here to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product you just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So here we go. You have them all right here. So go back right here, click on here and see the rest of the product we just paid for. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here. I will come back to my WhatsApp, then send the proof of payment to the owner of these goods. I'm going to click on gallery right here, select proof of payment and say payment done, and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688 Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.